Hello students, many students have the question that whether it is important to brush up grammar or work on grammar or attend grammar classes and spoken English classes before joining IELTS classes. I'm Dr. Arshanu from Dr. Arshanu's IELTS Institute. See students, my recommendation would be that it's not important. So you should directly start your IELTS classes because IELTS is the best way to improve your language. In IELTS, we have 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you simultaneously start working on all these 4 modules and in some additional time you should start working on your grammar, I guess that will be better because this will be the practical improvement in your all the skills. See, first of all, you will listen something, you will be able to understand the accent of that, you will be able to pronounce in the same way. Secondly, while reading something, you will find the sentence formation that will be improved. While writing and speaking, undoubtedly your practice will be done. So see student, don't waste your time because in my institute many students have come that ma'am, first of all we'll go with 3 months in speaking practice along with grammar, and or you just want spoken English classes first. Isn't this is not required because that will be wastage of your time. And what happens when the students start their grammar and speaking classes first, they are totally exhausted by 3 months because grammar is very difficult to work on because it's quite boring. Going with the tenses, going with the particular technical knowledge about this, so this makes the students very much bored. So after that, they are not able to continue with their IELTS class. So my strong recommendation is that you should start working on your all the modules, say IELTS classes, then you should go with grammar classes with that. But we have designed a course that is pre-IELTS classes. What we do that we emphasize more on the grammar, we brush up all the tenses and the important part of the grammar which is required for an IELTS student. See, all the grammar is not required for IELTS. So to get 8 bands, so we have to be proficient in a language. But till 6.5 bands, you can easily go with some part of the grammar and you can work on rest of the modules. So if you want to get only 6 bands, 6.5 bands or maximum 7 bands overall, I'm not saying individually, overall 7 bands. So in that case, you should directly start IELTS classes, or we have designed a course that is pre-IELTS classes. In that, we are working on the grammar, fluency classes. Along with that, listening and reading is going, but this reading is not very difficult. What happens that while doing all these modules and the speaking part and the writing part, your grammar will be brushed up. You will be able to have a hold on your grammar when we're practicing this in the same tense with the writing and the speaking. So hope this will be helpful for you. So you should stay connected with us and you can follow us and you may join us on our this pre-IELTS course. So the description is given in the description box. You can check it, and if you want, you may use this or you may join this course. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, you should subscribe it right now to get the latest updates on our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning.